Hey everybody, this is day 3 on the farm, or I guess it could be day 5, or it could be day 11. I don't know, right? I took the last 2 days off. I actually went down to Vilcabamba and slept in a real bed and did my laundry and ate food that other people cooked for me, and it was awesome. Jesse and I went down actually and got some internet. I posted some blogs, so it's something for you guys to chew on. But this is this is pretty normal for the farm because after you've worked here for 7 days, he wants you to take a break. We work pretty hard and it's rainy and crappy, so you know you don't have to work so hard. If you stay here for a long time, he wants you to kind of enjoy it. So he says, take 2 days off, which is a good motivating factor for people to stay here for an extra week because, you know, working every day, 5 hours a day on the farm is just too much. This cold and uncomfortable. Uh, Vilcabamba was great. I ran into all these cool people that I always run into. There's always like, oh, I'm from Seattle too. Oh, I'm from Florida too. This Jessie ran into some alumni person that went to the same college as her in Florida or Tennessee or I don't know. I don't even know where. And we had amazing pizza. We stayed at this great place called La Ruinas. There's some more to the name, but I don't. It's everyone calls it Las Ruinas. So they have it's $10 a night, and they have a steam room, a Turkish bath, a hot tub, pool, and all of it's free. Everything the whole spa treatment thing. They got all sorts of cool stuff, and this is the second time I've stayed there. The first time I didn't even sleep there. I ended up sleeping up at Monte Sueños with Joey and at the crazy Bill O'Leary house where I've had all these parties and met all these cool people. So I ended up crashing there last time. This time we had too much shit to do because we thought Eve was going to come early in the morning and we had to do our laundry and all these other things. Meet up with Ian. We were going to go party with Ian, but we were like, oh my god, this bed is awesome. And we just decided to crash and take it easy instead. Um, but so then we were hanging out in Vilcabamba, meeting all my friends, and got some internet time. And Eve just magically appeared behind me. I think I put this on the blog. And it was great because we thought we were going to have to trek our shit up. Ooh, trek our stuff up to the mountain ourselves. Climbing up the mountain is just intense. It's like 2.5 to 3 hour hike at least. And if you have to carry your stuff, it's just like, no way. And so he came down with some horses. He was actually helping Guinevere get some stuff done. He's Guinevere's ex-husband. Or, actually, they're still married. That's how I know Eve. I know Eve through Joey. I actually met Eve in Quito. And Joey introduced me to him. And he introduced me to him as his girlfriend's ex-husband. No, his girlfriend's ex-boyfriend. When really they were still married. So it was his girlfriend's current husband. But it's all for paperwork because Guinevere needed a green card, and he was a cool guy, and so they never divorced because she would get deported, and that's no cool. That's not cool, right? But yeah, I'm. So this is the next day. It's kind of crappy outside. Oh yeah, and this is where I sleep. This is a cool little patio on top of the mountain. I usually have a great view, but it's all cloudy and wet right now. The reason I decided to take a break yesterday was because they were going to go macheting and picking up donkey crap, And I did that last time. I did machetes I went and macheted for like 3.5 hours, and up with this massive blister and this massive blister. I mean, these are a week old, and I was like, yeah, you know what? I think I'm gonna take my day off. It was a great decision. And then we came back up, and it was really great because I pulled the judgment card. I don't have my cards with me right now. They're over in this bag over here. I seriously just woke up, and I didn't make any notes for this one. But I pulled judgment, and it worked out great today. Or yesterday. It was like I really came into my own as because I'm kind of the boss here now, because Ian, who was supposed to be the boss, just bailed for 5 days. And so when Eve's not around, everyone kind of looks to me for like, oh, what should I do? How do I do this? Blah, blah, blah. And I just pretend like I know what I'm doing. And then I've been making jokes, and people love me, and it's great, because when I first got here, I wasn't very social at all. I didn't have like a whole lot of things to say, and I was really kind of quiet, which is weird for me. I think I was sick a little bit. I really don't know. Oh, hey Lolly, thank you for the hat. This is my sleeping hat. When I go to sleep, I go like this. Because it's really cold. And it's perfect. This is just the perfect hat for sleeping out in the wilderness. So, thank you, Aunt Lolly. And, oh my god, this one got long. I love you guys all. Thank you for staying with us. This is part 3 of the series. There's much more to come. See you guys.